Hi, in this video we'll explore how to add, organize, and collaborate on content in your Octopus project. Everything from text and media to export. To open content model, just click this icon in the top right corner of page. Here you'll find everything that belongs to this page. Here we have already some text written, but you can create a new block and start adding text here. You can also add files, media like video, pictures, images, or any kind of file. This mode is self-sufficient too. From here, you can rearrange the order of the page. You can duplicate or delete block as well. You don't need to exit this mode to the sitemap mode to change blocks. So everything can be done from here. Here you can also change the styling of the text. There are a bunch of options from headings to lead text, quotes, code, bullet list, numbered list, to-do lists, bold, italic, and so on, so on, so on. Need help writing? Use AI Assistant. Just click AI Draft. This will draft some text for you, something to kick off your creative project. And from here, you can also use AI Assistant to spell check, make the text shorter, longer, more change tone to friendly, more friendly, or more professional, or even translate to different kind of languages like Korean, Chinese, Spanish, Russian, French, and so on, so on, so on. And the best part is the comment section is integrated just below here, so you can work with your team, comment on the content, to approve text, to work on texts, and so on. And when the text is in place, when the content is in place, you can export the content in CSV or XML file. You can publish the project. This will publish the content as a minimalistic website, or just send the link to Octopus for if it's public, it will be accessible to your clients, teammates to explore and comment. And that's how Octopus helps keep content and structure in sync, all in one place. What would make your content creation process better? Let us know in the comments.